Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use LinkedIn mobile application. So for those who don't know what LinkedIn is a social media platform created exclusively for professionals in the business world. The website's objective is to give registered users the ability to create and maintain professional networks of people they know and trust. Professionals can use LinkedIn to research companies, find jobs, and stay up to date on industry news and business connections. To start, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and install LinkedIn. Now you can sign up using your Google account. Okay, so here you have to add your first name and then your last name. So to start, it's very important that you add your first name here and last name. So my name is Andy, and then my last name is Brooke. Okay, so type Andy and then Brooke, then tap continue. Now you have to add your email address or your phone number. So I prefer to add my email address here. Once done, they're going to send a code to your email address. Or if you type your phone number, they will send a code to your phone number. And now add your password here and then click agree and join. So you have to confirm your location, see people, jobs, and news in your area. So just type your or enter your location here. So if you're a student, what you're gonna do is to turn this one on and you need to enter your school, degree, specialization, start here. But if you're not a student, you can toggle this one off and then type your most recent job title. So let's just say I'm an editor. So I'll type here video editor to be specific. Employment type. So you can choose here either you like full time, part time, or if you want this self employment. Okay, self employed, freelance, contract, internship, and so on. So everything is up to you. But for now, I want a part time job. I'm looking for a part time job. So recent company, you just have to search recent company. Okay, so suggested company here. If you found your company, you just have to tap the name of your company. Now you can add a photo or you can skip for now. Okay, to add a photo, just tap add a photo and then import an image from your device. Now you have to enter the verification code that they have sent to your email address because I used my email address earlier. Now if you enter your phone number, they will send a code to your phone number. And you just need to type your 6-digit code here. Once done, you just tap next. If you haven't received it, just tap this resend code. So let me enter my 6-digit code here. Okay, and then once done, what I'm going to do next is to click next. Okay, so email confirm. Now, are you looking for a job? Yes. Okay, so you can review the information here, job titles, job locations. Once done, once you're okay, click next. Okay, so your recommended job alerts for you can create a more folder if you want, tap next, and then here you just have to tap next. Okay, so that's it. Now here you can connect to people. Okay, if you want to connect to these people, you just have to tap connect, or you can skip for now if you want. You can follow companies here. These companies are just nearby your location, or maybe if these companies are related to your previous company or recent company, or is related to your job. So feel free to follow them. Once done, what you want to do next is to click the button next. Okay, so this is LinkedIn homepage. And as you can see, we have here options below like home, my network, post, notifications, and jobs. And above, you can see here a search box and then a message icon. So you just have to scroll down and look for any updates or news here. Now to interact with these people, you just have to tap this like, and you can choose from any of these emojis here if you want to like, love, send heart, or so on. So to share your thought or comment, you just have to tap that comment icon there and you can share your thoughts. Okay. You can repost this one, you can repost it immediately, directly, or you can repost with your thoughts. So you can say something before posting it. Okay, so next we have your send. You can send it to anyone. You just have to type the name of your friend and then send. Now, if you see this plus button here, it's time for you to post. So if you want to post something, if you want to share your thoughts or idea or anything, you just have to tap the plus button and share something here. As you can see, what do you want to talk about? Now, if you tap this three dots, you see here you can post, you can just import media, template, events, celebrate, job, poll, document, and services. So you just have to tap any. Now, if you want anyone to see your post, you just have to tap anyone, connections only. So you can modify the settings there. Okay, that's it. Now, if you go to my network, then if you want to follow these people, you can just simply follow. If you think that this person or this user can help you with your job or can help you, can motivate you, can encourage you to seek or to look for the perfect job for you, or this person can help you or motivate you to grow, you just have to connect with them. So as you can see, if they have invited you, you just have to tap these invitations and you will see there. And all you have to do is to accept their invitation. If you scroll down, you can see here groups, join if you want to learn more about the specific groups here. And also we have here popular newsletters across LinkedIn and other things such as suggested people. So you should know that most of the people that will appear here these are just based on your information too, your interest and your likes. Always remember that creating a LinkedIn network is a great way to connect with new professional opportunities and stay in touch with recruiters, colleagues, and alumni. It requires a primary email address in order to send invites. When a member accepts your invitation, they become first degree connections. So the point of LinkedIn is, LinkedIn is a place to network and exchange knowledge. Many use LinkedIn to find work, network, reconnect with old classmates, find sales opportunities, and bigger dreams. Now, once you have connected to these people, your next job is to seek for, or next thing to do here is to look for jobs. Okay. And if you can find it here, you can go to the search box and then type the title or skill or job, and then you can filter it with jobs, easy apply, date, and also location. Okay, so you just have choose from any of the suggested work here. Okay, now once you're done with this, you can go back. And as you can see here, if you tap your home or if you're on your home page, you can see the image or the message icon here. So this means you can start a new message to someone. So all you have to do is to search that person or that someone's name here. You can type multiple people, you can add multiple people here. Now, as you can see, I want to message this person, but I can't. So I have to upgrade the premium. And of course, I need to pay something in order for me to message these people because this person is, like popular, or this one is a big person. So I cannot just message this person directly. So, as what I've said or mentioned earlier, LinkedIn is for professionals. Okay. Now, going back to your homepage, if you tap your profile, then probably here you can edit everything. Okay, you can add your image here. If you scroll down, you can add section. Okay, you can even add information. If you just tap this pencil icon here, you can simply add information about you. So as you can see here, you can edit your name if you want. Okay, you can edit your current position, your industry. You can even edit your location. Okay, and then yes, that's it. Now you can edit postal code, then save. Okay, so if you scroll down here, then you will see one of the highlights. I mean, if an employer or if someone visits your LinkedIn, the very first thing they will look is, of course, your skills or your background. So, or shall I say, experience. So, it's very important here to add something on your experience. So be serious on this page or this section. You must enter your title, your employment type, your company name, location, and so on. So be serious in this matter. You can add skills because, you know, a person or if someone wants to hire you or wants to connect with you, must add something very impressive here. Okay, honestly speaking, it must be very impressive. Okay, so you must be serious with that. Okay, information should be all correct. And then once done, you can tap save. Okay, so that's it. Now you can add profile. If you tap this gear icon here, then you can see more of your settings. You can modify your settings. You can change your settings if you tap this gear icon. So you can see here your personal information and edit it. Okay, so I really hope that I help you with this basic information and how to use this LinkedIn. So always remember that your name, your last name, your email address, and your skills, experience, and your image, of course. These are very important in building or creating LinkedIn account. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.